thinking of getting your joints cracked, well, think twice. A joint mobilization, when done correctly, aims to restore mobility and reduce stiffness. However, if this is done by some untrained person, it can in fact worsen the injury, it can cause ligamentous damage or even cause a nerve impingement. A trained physiotherapist or a surgeon understand your anatomy, and therefore they can ensure that these procedures can be done safely. So remember, if you are thinking of getting a joint mobilization done, ensure that it is done under proper medical supervision and stay clear of many fixes that you would have seen online.